inclination of the line through the point 1 comma 2 so that its distance from the point of intersection of this line with x plus y is equal to 4 is at a distance of root 6 by 3 from 1 comma 2. So what is given here? So there is a line passing through 1 comma 2 having some inclination. Let us consider theta is inclination, so that it's a distance from a point of intersection of another line. Let me take this as a line x plus y is equal to 4 is at a distance of means let me take the point, this is P and this is A and this is something like Q. So from Q to from distance from 1 to 1 comma 2 to P, the point is root 6 by 3. So given here AP is equal to root 6 by 3. So this is R, and from the point A x1 comma y1 to any point on the line, so we can have with an inclination theta, we can write this point as x1 plus r cos theta. The point P can be taken x1 plus r cos theta comma y1 plus r sin theta. And since from the point 1 comma 2, so we can write here 1 plus r is equal to root 6 by 3. So I can write r root 6 upon 3 cos theta comma y1 is 2 plus root 6 by 3 sin theta, and this is the point which lies in another line, that is x plus y is equal to 4, which also lies on x plus y is equal to 4, so that it satisfies the line equation. So we can substitute this x1, that is 1 plus root 6 by 3 cos theta plus 2 plus root 6 by 3 sin theta is equal to 4. So which implies root 6 upon 3 times cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 4 minus 2 minus 1, that comes 1, or else by doing cross multiplication cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 3 upon root 6. So just multiply and divide with root 2. So I can write here 1 upon root 2 cos theta plus sin theta into 1 upon root 2 is equal to 3 by root 6. So root 2 also you can take the other side. So 1 upon root 2 cos theta plus sin theta into 1 upon root 2, just like it is in the form of sin I cos B, sin pi by 4 cos theta plus cos pi by 4 sin theta. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B form, which is equal to sin of A plus B, sin theta plus pi by 4, or we can write sin of theta plus 45 degrees. So root 2 times of sin theta plus pi by 4 is equal to 3 upon root 6. So sin theta plus pi by 4 or sin theta plus 45 degrees, let us write, is equal to 3 by root 6. We can also write it as root 2 into root 3 into again root 2. So which equals to 3, we can also write it as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3 into root 2 into root 2 becomes 2. So it is nothing but root 3 over 2. So sin theta plus 45 degrees is equal to it can be sine 60 degrees, it can be sine 60 degrees or 120 degrees. But if you see in the option 60 degrees means theta must be 15 degrees, but there is no 15 degrees in the option, so we can go with an 120 degrees sine. So we can write sine 120 degrees, so which implies theta plus 45 is equal to 120. So theta is equal to 120 minus 45, so theta is equal to 75 degrees. So 75 degrees is the answer. So option 1. Okay.